Find or read reviews that people are talking about WEDPATA M60, 2-in-1, OBD2 Scanner. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 2-in-1 wide compatibility for cars and motorcycles. Designed to work with all OBD2 compliant vehicles, US cars 1996 plus, import cars 2001 plus, and most motorcycles. Supports 9 key OBD2 protocols, ISO 9141-2, SAE J1850PWM/VPW, ISO 14230-4KWP, ISO 15765-4CAN, and fits standard 16-pin DLC connectors. No need for separate scanners, cover all your vehicles with one tool. Professional diagnostic functions for full troubleshooting. For motorcycles, read/clear fault codes, DTCs, view ECU info, VIN, calibration ID, monitor real-time live data, check freeze frame, DTC triggered parameters, DTC lookup, and ECU reset. For cars, add I/M status, emission inspection check, in-vehicle monitoring test, mode 6, oxygen sensor test, fuel efficiency optimization, and component test, evaporative system leak test. Fix most engine/emission issues without expensive dealer visits. 3-in-1 battery test to avoid unexpected breakdowns. Go beyond diagnostics with built-in battery testing, start test, check startup voltage to ensure reliable engine ignition. Charge test, evaluate alternator performance, test at 2000 to 2500 RPM. Load test, verify battery capacity under electrical load, lights, AC, and more. Compatible with 8 to about 30 volt DC batteries, detect weak batteries early and prevent roadside trouble. Cloud printing and user-friendly design, wirelessly print diagnostic reports via cloud printing, generate a QR code, scan with your phone to view data, and convert to PDF for printing/sharing. Features a 2.8-inch TFT color screen, 320x240, for clear visibility, customizable F1/F2 shortcut keys, multi-language support, and metric/imperial unit switching, easy to use for beginners and pros alike. Durable build. Built to withstand garage conditions, operates in -10 to about 85 degrees Celsius, 14 to about 185 degrees Fahrenheit, and resists oil, water, grease, with proper cleaning. CE, FC, and ROHS certified for safety. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.